Hey guys, Drew Williams coming to you live from Bell Camper Sales again. Today I'm going to show you one of our nice used products we took in on trade. This is a 2017 KZ Durango 1500. Back in the day it was in its prime, brand new. This thing has been used, it's about 4 years old. Got some cosmetic stuff, but other than that everything's in prime working condition. So without further ado, as always, 360 video, guys. Up in the corner there, you can follow me around, or you can zoom in on whatever you want, up and down. Just hit those arrows wherever you want to go, and throughout this video you can take it in and zoom in on whatever you want. And without further ado, I'm going to start here. We're in the living room / kitchen area, so we'll get going here and start going. Right here in the kitchen area, as you can see, just like the newer Durangos, you still got a residential sink with 2 sides on it with your sink covers. And you got the sink faucet that does have the sprayer on it. Right behind me here, we have the Suburban Style 3 stovetop burner and your microwave convention oven up top here. Storage above and below. Storage over here underneath the cabinets, and some drawers for you here. You got your full-size fridge, 8 cubic centimeter. It does have the wood paneling on the inside where it kind of blends in real nice. Bottom and top freezer. Residential style fridge, auto, and then you got electric or gas, whichever you choose to use. Up next, we're going to be getting into the living area. As you can see, it comes mounted with the TV, Sansui. One of the first years they started doing the fireplace that's mounted in there, right underneath it as far as that goes. Jensen up top, DVD player, surround sound music radio, Bluetooth operated too, FM AM radio. Storage up top here. And then back behind here you got the love seat couch, and then here you got the famous recliners that do recline with the cup holders in it. You can see all the remotes there to work all your stuff. Walk on down here, you do have the 4-chair dinette table for when you're eating your food. Do have some storage above the recliners there, I forgot to mention, and then a little hallway closet where with some hang stuff in there for your storage there too. You have storage, low storage up here. This paneling is just for all your slide out remotes, operated water heater, water pump, water heater, electric and gas, awning, and then your tank, obviously your tank rings as far as that goes. Storage down here, and a little counter space here with a GFI outlet. Alright guys, now we're going to go take a look at the bathroom. Alright guys, so here we are now in the bathroom here. As you can see, Dometic toilet here. You do have the sliding glass doors for your showers. Open and slide. Good size in there. Behind us here is the sink with cabinets underneath. This pantry mirror cabinet up top. Alright, last but not least, we're going to go take a look at the bedroom. Alright guys, here we are in the bedroom of the 2017 Durango 281RLT. As you can see here, you have storage on each side. Pantry storage up top. This does have 2 slides, and what this slide is in here gives you more closet space. You can look over there and see where there's drawers, pull-outs, little hallway closet stuff too, where you can hang stuff up. Sliding door here that goes to the bathroom, or obviously you can get to it from here too, to get down to the kitchen living room area. Do have hookups here. This is where you would mount a TV if you wanted, with all your outlets and stuff hooked up right here. So that's it on our tour today. This is the 2017 KZ Durango 1500 281 RLT. If you guys are interested in this video and like it, my name is Drew Williams. Call and ask for me, or come down, better yet, look at it and I'll show it to you. And let me know what you think. Other than that, thanks for joining and have a good day where we're going to get you camping.